There are a few very obvious signs that money is coming to you, that you're using the law of attraction properly, and that you're on your way to success. Let's talk about that right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Kai Valentine. If you're not new here, hit that subscribe button, join the Valentine family, and become a spiritual warrior, become a freaking champion, and just manifest so much drugs that, no, I'm kidding, manifest so much money that you won't know what to do with it, but I can help you with that. Give a lot to charity. That would, children cancer research hospitals. Anyway, I could go into that all day. You guys know it. I love St. Jude's. But today I'm going to show you 3 big signs that you are on your way to success, and they're pretty obvious, but sometimes I like to say we only see the forest for the trees, and they just kind of go over us. And once you hear these 3 steps, you will finally realize, oh wow, I've had a few of these already happening to me. So let's start out with number 1. You will start to notice that you are getting business ideas. You are getting inspiration. You are getting inspired. Let's say you're an artist. You want to paint more. You have these ideas and they just keep coming. And you start rushing because you have so many ideas that you want to get to all of them. I mean, that's a negative, but the good thing is that you have all these ideas, and now your problem is finding which one you want to go through with. That is a really, really good sign. And it could be an art piece, a musical piece that you want to write. It could be anything, a business idea. You start seeing problems in your life that you think you could solve by creating a product or having someone in China build it for you. You could hire someone to make a diagram of what you want for a pretty large fee, so you would save up for it. But I'm just telling, like, all these ideas, like, see that? Just so many ideas right there. It's a big sign whenever when you realize that all these crazy ideas are coming to you and they get you excited. They get you excited. And now your next choice, the next thing you have to do is, how can I dedicate more time to this idea with a job, with family? But it's a good decision. It's an exciting decision. The second one is kind of sad, but it's still very good for you because it's a huge sign. And the badness and the rudeness of this kind of ranges, but what's going to happen is people are going to ask you, why are you so happy? Why are you so positive? Why do you always, I mean, your grandpa just died and you were in the back talking about a business idea to the priest. No, I'm just kidding. That was a joke. Don't do that. But you're just positive. You're seeing the silver lining of the clouds. When something bad happens, you're hurt for a moment, you're sad, but you collect your thoughts and you see good from it. You learn from it. People will start asking, why are you so happy? What do you have to be happy for? That's the worst thing that they could ask. And instead of it bringing you down, you're seeing yourself from a third person view, and you're seeing that those people are assholes. So it doesn't matter. In fact, you become fascinated with them, like, well, why don't they feel this way? And I'm not saying you're going to be happy all the time. That would be ridiculous, okay? People who tell you you're going to be happy all the time are lying to you. Pretending that you're going to be happy all the time is just going to make you stop trying, because when you're unhappy, you're like, oh, I screwed it up. I'm just going to stop. No, you're not going to be happy all the time. But much of the time, you're going to be calmer throughout the day, and you're going to have people asking you, why are you so happy? And the best part is people ask you, how could I act like you? What's the secret? And then you could tell them about the law of attraction. Tell them to come to Kai's channel and just say, this guy makes you relax a little bit and calms you down and just shows you that you have more time than you think you do. And there's no rush to it. It's gonna happen. My success took years, but it didn't feel like years because I was having fun and, giving to charity when I could. That stuff meant a lot to me. And I just got a brand new source of income for like $500 a month, and I was happy about it, but I'm just like, I'm very grateful for it, but now I can just give more to charity and I can save more, I can go do more things, but that's not what my focus is on. My focus is on how I'm feeling that day. Money is there to help us get experiences that make us happy, that give us comfort, that make us feel stable. It's not about just getting money, right? So the third step, and this one, a lot of people are gonna probably unsubscribe, dislike, whatever, leave, because they don't see how important it really is, but you're not gonna be as anxious. And coming from someone who, I always say, like, I suffer from chronic depression and anxiety, and I've battled it. I was just telling Lisa, my girlfriend, that if I hadn't been so strong-minded and came from a really good family that told me I could be anything, I think I would have been in a lot of trouble. I'm very blessed in the way I was raised, and it taught me how to combat this mental disorder of mine. And I'm not saying I'm happy all the time. That is far from the truth. I get mad, I get frustrated, I get sad, I cry a lot sometimes when I think about my dog passing. It's ridiculous, but I tend to look into the future. Confucius says when we look into the future, we get depressed. When we look in the past, we get depressed. When we look to the future, we get anxious. But enough about me. Like, you're my therapist now. You're my therapist. But yeah, I just wanted to say that, I'm not perfect. I feel all these things. I am human, and so are you. Once we accept this and realize we can still be freaking successful beyond our wildest dreams by still having emotions and just knowing it's coming and stop worrying about it, that's when the real magic happens. And you'll know you're on the right path when you do kind of pull back on this whole I gotta be wealthy right now thing. This is gonna be a harder part for a lot of people, but you probably won't even notice that it happens. You'll probably be so tired of just hustling for money, and you're just like, whatever. You know what? It's sunny outside today. I feel great, and I'm gonna go for a walk with my kids or my dog or my guinea pig, whatever, and I'm just gonna feel good today. And boy, the magic just hits. You start getting so inspired. You're just gonna wanna create, you're gonna wanna help, you're waving at people in cars. It's a great feeling to have, people. So those are the three big things that you're going to experience when you're on the right track to success. If you like this stuff, please hit that subscribe button. Join the Valentine family. I'm always here for you. People call me Santa because I love sitting on my lap. I'm very warm. I'm boisterous, and I always have crumbs in my beard. Okay, now it's just getting weird. It always gets freaking weird. And if you like weird, you should subscribe. Join the Valentine family. Comment down below anything. Say hello, ask a question. It's so good for the algorithm. Tell me some ideas that you have, and I'll make a video about them. Share with a friend or family, guys. And yeah, kisses. Toodaloo. I'll see you next time. Kai out.
Trusting my heart like it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Spending all night at the studio. Got me fucked up, you assume me slow. Killing the game cause he knew to go. I don't want nothing to do with you. Thinking just winning is all about who we